Classroom desktops have been removed, so teachers will now use their MacBooks to display instructional content on the ActivPanel, or also known as the Promethena board. In this worked example, I will demonstrate the complete process for downloading screen share, connecting the MacBook, and enabling touchback so that you can be prepared to teach your students from anywhere in the room from your MacBook. We are going to begin by reviewing 3 terms you will need to know before connecting your laptop wirelessly to the Promethena board. The first term is panel ID. The panel ID identifies the specific Promethena board you want to connect to and helps your computer connect to the correct board. The next term is waiting room. Because the Promethena board can receive connection requests from several devices, the waiting room displays a list of the devices requesting permission to connect. The third term is touchback. Touchback allows you to control your laptop directly from the Promethena board while you are connected wirelessly. I will begin by searching for the Promethena screen share download. I will select the official site rather than using a third-party source. I am clicking on Download for Mac now that I am on the web page. The installer will appear in the browser's download list. I will open the download file and follow the installation prompts. I will select Continue when prompted, review the information, and then select Agree. Click Install again, and you will be required to enter the administrator username and password for your MacBook so the installation can be completed. Once the installation is finished, I will select Close. I can then choose Move to Trash to remove the installer file. Next, I will prepare the Promethena board. I will select the main Promethena menu button to open the menu bar. From there, I will select Locker. In the app menu, I will select Screen Share. When Screen Share opens, a 6-digit panel ID will appear on the Promethena board. I will use this number to connect the laptop to the specific board. Now I will move to the laptop. On the laptop, I will open the Screen Share application. The application will prompt me to enter the panel ID displayed on the Promethena board. Next, I will enter my name. This is the name that will appear in the waiting room, so I will use a name that is easy to recognize and appropriate for students to see. Click Continue. Next, I will ensure that I have touchback toggled on. Touchback must be enabled if I want to control the laptop by touching the Promethena board. Now I will return to the Promethena board. In the waiting room, I should see the name I entered on the laptop. I will select the box next to my name. The box will turn orange and display a white check mark. I will then select the Share button at the bottom of the waiting room. A security message will appear on the laptop asking for permission to share the screen. I will select Allow. The laptop screen is now displayed on the Promethena board. The laptop is now connected wirelessly. The screen is being shared, and I can control the laptop directly from the board, or I can control the board from my laptop.